Hey everybody, Cody back with another video, and in this video I have a finished Darth Maul's lightsaber and I wanted to review it with you guys. So it separates in the middle of the hilt right now because it's not fully glued, so you can get an idea of what it looks like. It turned out really well. So all that's left of this project is to sand down some of the parts, clip some of the pieces in there, add in the rest of the buttons, and on this one it's pretty much finished. I have to get those clippings out, and yeah, Darth Maul's lightsaber turned out very well. And I'm actually selling this tomorrow, so I wanted to give you guys a good look at it. This is 3D printed Darth Maul's full size, full scale lightsaber. So here's another look at it put together. Give you guys a good sense of scale. It is full sized, full scale. Yeah. And so if you guys enjoyed this video, if you enjoy 3D printing, give me a like, and don't forget to comment in the comment section below. Give me your ideas, your thoughts on this video. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe for more, guys. That's it for today.